What's up guys, today I'm going to show you how you can make some effect that I think we call it type effect. So before we start the video, I want to say something about my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like it if you like it, and if you don't like it, please like it because it can help me a lot. And if you find any problem or anything that you think it can help to me, please leave a comment for me. Bro, I'm seeing you have not subscribed to my channel yet. First of all, we should type something that we want to make an effect with it. So I want to type like this video, please. Okay, that's it. I put it in the center of the video, and then we need to use some effect in this layer. So we come into effects list and then set a crop and use a crop effect in our layer. After that, we should find crop setting in effect controls. In the first step, we should turn on toggle animation of right, and after that we have a one pin in our timeline. I want to make this effect for a 4 second or something like that. So I should find a 4 second in this text, and then we put a pin in this time. So we have a 2 pin in here. Then we come back to the first pin and we set up another value for this option. So I should find some value for this text, and I think it's okay, 91. It's a good value for this text. You are able to make it faster or slower, it depends on you. If you don't know how you can make it slower or faster, I show it now. If you bring this pin to another pin, you have a faster effect. And opposite of this function, it makes opposite result. And that's the result of this effect. If you want to have a better than type effect, you should use some sound effect in this video. That I put this type sound effect in the description. The most important tips that I should say you, it's you should place a sound effect or audio between 2 pins that you placed it at the past. So I placed it between 2 pins that I placed it at the past. It's here, and I make it very good. Okay, so we have some result like this. Please don't forget to turn on the notification of the channel to see our videos. First of all, see you soon guys. I hope achieve to everything that you want.